Welcome to Introduction to MongoDB. After watching this video, you will be able to define MongoDB and how it performs tasks like text similarity analysis and building recommendation systems. Describe how to perform vector searches in MongoDB. In today's digital landscape, businesses that deliver personalized content struggle with managing diverse data. This is where MongoDB comes into play. MongoDB is a document-oriented NoSQL database for storing, retrieving, and managing unstructured or semi-structured data. Unlike traditional relational databases, MongoDB does not require a fixed schema, allowing more data modeling flexibility. It stores data in a format similar to JSON documents, enabling developers to work with it efficiently. MongoDB offers optimum scalability, high performance, and ease of use, making it a popular choice for modern applications. Let's now explore MongoDB's architecture. The key components of its architecture include document models, collections, indexing, sharding, replication, query processing, security mechanisms, and client drivers or application programming interface or APIs. We will explore the components of MongoDB's architecture in the coming sections of the video. Now, let's learn about the key components of MongoDB's architecture. The first component is documents. MongoDB stores data in flexible, JSON-like documents. These documents are organized into collections, analogous to tables in relational databases. Next, MongoDB uses indexes to improve query performance by facilitating efficient data retrieval. MongoDB also uses sharding to partition data across multiple servers, known as horizontal shards. Lastly, MongoDB offers APIs for create, read, update, delete, or CRUD operations and specialized APIs for administration, data aggregation, and analytics. The displayed code shows how data is stored in MongoDB in the form of key-value pair. Here, name is the key, and John Doe is the value. MongoDB's flexible nature makes it a popular choice for various applications. Let's examine them. It is a great choice for web applications that need to use data models that change quickly or have a lot of unorganized data. Since MongoDB enables handling of large amounts of data, it is used to store data in content management systems. MongoDB also quickly loads and examines data and is used for real-time analytics. Finally, it synchronizes data across devices and handles complex data models. It is therefore used in mobile applications. Think of a rapidly growing startup looking for robust and scalable solutions to handle its growing user data. MongoDB Atlas is the right choice in this scenario, offering seamless cloud-based services that allow you to set up, control, and grow MongoDB databases in the cloud without doing anything manually. Now that you know what MongoDB Atlas is, let's look at its features. MongoDB Atlas is fully managed and automatically handles database administration tasks, such as backups, monitoring, and scaling. MongoDB Atlas also offers built-in security features, such as encryption, role-based access control, and authentication that secures data. The next feature is scalability. MongoDB Atlas enables users to change their database size easily, without downtime. Furthermore, it offers high availability of data spread automatically across multiple nodes and sets up an automatic backup in case a node fails. Finally, MongoDB Atlas supports global clusters, allowing users to deploy databases across multiple regions for low-latency access worldwide. Let's look at the benefits of MongoDB Atlas. First, MongoDB Atlas simplifies managing MongoDB databases by handling routine tasks and providing an intuitive user interface. MongoDB Atlas also ensures data reliability and high availability through automatic backups, monitoring, and failover. Next, it eases scaling databases vertically or horizontally to accommodate changing workloads. Finally, MongoDB Atlas offers robust security features, including encryption and authentication mechanisms to protect data at rest and in transit. Now, let's examine the code that connects MongoDB with the database. This prefix indicates that we are using a connection string for MongoDB Atlas and that DNS seedless discovery should be used to determine the server addresses. This line defines the connection string and includes the placeholders for username, password, cluster, and database. This line represents the primary function of the script. A MongoDB connection is established here. This line creates a new Mongo client using the connection string. This line establishes a connection with the MongoDB Atlas cluster specified in the connection string. Once the connection is successfully established, this message is printed to the console. Finally, After database operations are performed, the connection is closed using this code to release resources properly. Then, call the main function. In this video, you learn that MongoDB is a document-oriented NoSQL database for storing, retrieving, and managing unstructured or semi-structured data. MongoDB is a highly scalable, flexible, high-performance platform for storing and managing diverse data types and workloads. The key components of its architecture include document models, collections, indexing, sharding, replication, query processing, security mechanisms, and client drivers or APIs. MongoDB Atlas is a cloud-based services that allow people to set up, control, and grow MongoDB databases in the cloud without doing anything manually.